Okay, so in this clip, I will be installing the SSD included panel on the Blackmagic Pyxis. And this is the Samsung shielded T7 drive that'll be going inside it. So first thing first, I'll take out the cheese plate that is currently in there. And that is currently in there tight, whoever previously installed that. Jeez. So these screws were a little stiff, so I did need to do this in like 2 parts. Put the screw in. Then with the wrench, you can actually twist to loosen up the screw. And the last one. Sweet. So with all 4 of those screws, this will just pop out like so. And then I can install this cheese plate. But make sure you install it in the right direction to save yourself some trouble. All right, so we'll get this screwed in. All right, nice. So with all 4 of those screws installed, then go ahead and unloosen the Velcro. Should then allow me to slide in my SSD. Sweet. So with that in there, just go ahead and slide this down. Do the same over here. Nice. And there, that SSD is installed. Hope you enjoyed the installation of the SSD mount tutorial.